What's going on, guys? Welcome back to SneakerBot Club, where we post live cops, tutorials, and reviews. In today's video, we have a live cop of the Yeezy 350 Zyons on Footsites and Yeezy Supply. For this release, I'm running ANB all-on-one SneakerBot, WhatBot, and I'm also trying out SplashForce on Dick's Sporting Goods, but that didn't go very well. Now, my main bot for this release is ANB, as I've had tons of success in the past and it's really easy to use. So if you're interested in purchasing this bot, it's available right now and I'll have it linked down in the description below. Now for this release, I'm running all residential proxies using Slash proxies and Omni proxies. I'll have both of these guys linked in the description below as well. For Footsites, I start all of my tasks 10 minutes before the drop and I just let it run. I'm also running NSB on a server here, but I don't have any footage, but you're gonna see some success in the Discord. Now if you have any questions at all, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. I try to get back to every single person here. And one of the most common questions I get is, how do I check out multiple pairs on Footsites? Now this is exclusive info to the cook group that I'm in, KJNotify, so I'm not going to share it here. But if you guys are really interested in stepping up your game, I would highly suggest joining that cook group. I'll have that link down below as well. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you did enjoy. If you have any questions at all, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any other video suggestions, be sure to let me know. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.